Saan ka ba ha? Masaso.
Anong masaso?
Masaso edition.
Ay, sobrang sasarap. Ay! Uy! Hey guys! Tingin kayo dito. Tingin kayo dito. Wow! Carl!
May pa,
Ito vlog. Montage. Oh! Yan. Yan, ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda. Yan, ang ganda. Ang sarap mo. Ang sarap mo dyan. David!
Para pagulog na lang tayo mamaya.
David! Opening up. Ano, may ano, uy. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think? Oh,
Guys, sobrang latina, latite.
Latiting.
Tapaw.
Unfiltered. Grabe yung mga pimple patches. Ay, ang gaganda natin.
Ay, bags ko talaga problema kayo eh.
Wala akong A-bags. Perfect kasi ako. Punta dapat kami ng dagat kaso umuulan.
Yeah, it's alright.
Hello. May naglalakad sa bubong.
Who are you?
Welcome to Tinglay guys. May naglalakad sa bubong.
Yeah. Normal dito na may asmang pagod.
Tingnan naman yung hair ko. Wala akong dalang suklay.
Ako din.
Walang dalang may dala akong sabon. May dalang lotion. May skincare. Walang dalang suklay.
Natatag na pala lahat ng mga
Nandito na nga yung pimple. Andito na yung pimple patch mo, babe. Wait lang, hirap. Ayan.
So, wala lang ng pimple patch ko.
Hindi doon.
Sobrang patch hindi na kinakaya.
Oh. Dapat maging comfortable.
Adikit ko ulit. Ako, magaling ako maglinis.
Hey guys, have coffee with us. Have coffee with us.
Have coffee with us.
Hindi, have Milo with us.
Right
Choco
now.
malt drink. Ay, grabe ang mukha naman. At ni Congresswoman, at saka ni Mayo. Liho, sabi ko pa, magtitisis po kami. Pasan yun? Pasan yun?
Ang kuya. Sabi ko nga nalito ako eh.
Wag. Look. Hi guys. So we've finished blabbing up. So let's go to the beach with us. Yay!
Let's go to the beach, let's go get away.
This is our final look.
Yeah. You guys like it?
Yeah. This is mine underneath.
This is mine. Very very...
Very demure.
Yeah, very demure.
Very mindful.
Very
cute.
mindful, very cutesy and everything. Everything that you're looking for simple and cute.
Okay,
Head
let's do a
is
fit
here.
check. With card. Fit check.
Top MJ bought from X.
Let's go to the beach with us, guys. Have you seen this? This is me actually breaking out. And then this is the finished product. Ito na yun. Ito na yung oh, that is actually pretty.
Dito pa din yung earring ko.
Um,
Coquette. And that's a pearl.
Yeah, pearl. For the vlog. This is the fit, guys.
What are we
Yun na
gonna
lang.
do there? Okay.
Lala.
Tapos sasakyan namin guys. Joke.
Yeah, we're gonna go there kasi magpipicture lang kami. And after that, wala na.
Ho, hindi. Sort of
Ay,
ligo.
mag-ano pala, magliligo pa. Kaya
Yeah.
ganun-ganun pa. Choo! Choo!
Look guys, it's so ganda here. Like
Walang
there's
cable
no...
wires.
Yeah.
The Batangas City would never.
Yeah. They couldn't even.
Wala pa kami doon. Naghihintay kami ng... We're waiting for our tricycle. Wala kaming tricycle. So, we're forced to walk down this journey.
Wala matawagan si Tita.
Ayan. We're on our journey to walk down this route. Ang arte. We're forced to walk down. Kasi naman. Nahanap na kami ng tricycle. Hi. Hi. Yan. Mga arte na. Hi, hi. Bababa. Back. This is where we went last night. Ang demure ng ano, ang tahimik na paligid. Wala tayong ano. kami. Naabutan kami ng ulan. And look, galit na galit yung dagat. So we're stranded here for
Pag biglang kumalma nung nag-video, makitang alon.
Lagyan mo dyan. Walang kwento. We just took a bath and then doon sa baba. Tignan nyo naman yung hair namin. Tingnan mo. Mas magde-define yung curls mo pag ano. Diba? Nakapagbanlaw na kami and all. And all, overall, it's a 10 over 10 experience. Yeah. Mauulit ba?
Mauulit.
No doubt. Mauulit ba, Samantha?
Of course.
Yes, mauulit siya, guys.
Yes.
May, ano kami? Parang kami may stars.
Starlet sa...
We're gonna na...
We're gonna ano?
We're gonna... Ay! Kung gano'ng kalakas yung ano. Gano'ng kauga. Gano'ng kauga. Gano'ng ka... like...
Ka-unstable.
Yes. Sobrang eh! Parang pet.
Don't stop.
Stop! Go! Ay, isa pa.
Mamaya. Kakaugal. Favorite time.
Wala, sabi.
Pag wala ka sa mga...
Bye-bye din o. Oh my God!
Is this our ano?
Nagra-rides naman.
Is this our person dance?
Is this our final?
Yeah.
Ala. Hindi. Hindi.
Is this our last time?
No, we're not. No, this is not.
Very close. Close na.
Sobrang.
Sobrang latid eh.
Ano, sobrang ugabi.
Magiging close ko lahat ng tao dito mamaya pag nagpanik lahat.